The aviation industry is in very dire need of aircraft mechanics. Most Penn College aviation maintenance students have job offers lined up well before they graduate. Companies saying, we want you. We interviewed you, we'll wait for you to graduate, get your license right away. I think the best thing about our program is the facilities that we have, combined with the years of experience that our staff has. We have a $6 million facility that has many different types of aircraft. All of the major courses for aviation are done at the Aviation Center. The Aviation Center is located at the Williamsport Airport in Montoursville, Pennsylvania, which is not on main campus, but it's about 5 miles away. And although we don't legally fly our aircraft for insurance reasons, we do get to taxi our aircraft and talk with air traffic control. And so those are things that we get to do here because we're located on an active airport. So the types of students that we get here is really a mix of both students that have tinkered with things, fixing their lawnmower, or worked on the farm, worked on their tractor, maybe worked on cars, maybe were out in industry already or ex-military, and they have some mechanical experience, all the way to students who think, wow, I love airplanes, wouldn't it be cool? And they don't even know which end of the screwdriver to hold. And we start at the very basics so that anybody who has an interest in doing it and a willingness to learn can definitely do it. We have a turbine engines lab with several different types of turbine engine designs where students get to disassemble the engines fully. We have an electrical lab where we have training equipment that is made of real aircraft parts. We have a reciprocating engines lab where students will disassemble a reciprocating engine in a small group. We have a sheet metal lab with all the tools necessary to build essentially an airplane if you needed to. We have an excellent composites shop. We have a full downdraft paint booth that can fit an entire plane into it. The students have access to our tool room. They don't need to purchase a $2,000 tool. They can borrow it from the tool room, complete their lab, and return it at the end of the day. And we have a 5,000 square foot hangar that can fit most of our aircraft, but honestly, we have so many aircraft they can't all fit inside. Penn College has partnered with several industry leaders to offer internships to the students. And they get to work in industry in a live hangar on live aircraft and get real-world experience. Most of the time, students that do internships are offered a permanent position. It can seem daunting and difficult, but we're here and we have a support system such that students will find success. That's our goal. Our job is to get you to a place where you are the expert.